Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shumanati, aka Grown, back with another vid, bitch. Welcome back to the Shumanati Show. Hope everyone is having a good day. Today, I wanted to hit you guys with a brand new sneaker unboxing. I've been catching dubs all week. But before we do anything, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button, make sure you slap that bell, that way you'll get notifications every time I drop a new video because I drop pretty consistent content. With that being said, shout out to the whole notification gang and everyone who pulled up as soon as I dropped this video, and shout out to the whole Illumination, Team Dark Skin, Wakanda Forever. Salute to each and every one of you. With that being said, let's get right into this unboxing, ladies and gentlemen. So, I caught this W the first week of May. It seemed like ever since I did that video with Tony, he just brought good energy to me and good things just started happening, and I started getting a bunch of sneaker drops that was dropping. And this was something that I picked up last Saturday, the first week of May. I got lucky on this, to be honest. I did not expect to pick this sneaker up. I was going for it, but I wasn't really serious about trying to cop it, and I ended up being able to pick it up. So, if I give you guys the story from the beginning, ultimately these sold out in like 5 minutes everywhere. These were gone. I pretty much gave up. I was like, they're gone. It is what it is. It was one site that had these that was left. Shout out to Soul Links. They are 95% of the reason why I get all of the cops that I am able to grab. Once again, shout out to Soul Links on Twitter. They dropped the notification letting people know that it was still a few sizes of these left on finishline.com. I pulled up, I kept trying, and I kept not getting anything, and I tried one more time before I was gonna exit off of the page, and I actually got a pair in cart. I tried a couple times, the page would not load up, so I opened different tabs and dropped the link in different pages. Eventually it opened up and got me to the cart. I was able to click PayPal, and once I'm able to click PayPal, it's a wrap, man. I was able to get these through finishline.com. I got these in a size 7, so let's open it up and see what I cop, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out to all the supporters, the fam, followers, everybody who fuck with me every time I drop content. It's Grown versus the box, and Grown gets another W, man. I copped these manually, and I'm proud of myself. Once again, I picked up another W against all odds, and it always feels good to be able to get those W's when you know you were supposed to get that L. So let's open it up and see what we got here. Boom. Here we go, guys. We got a Jordan 1 box. This is the Air Jordan Women's Retro High OG Satin. This is the Shattered Backboard Women's Edition in the satin. This is fire, guys. I was actually able to pick these up in a size 7. So let's open up the box and let me give you guys a quick look at these, guys. Of course, you can expect a detailed review coming up on this sneaker, and I will be doing a comparison with the OG leather Shattered Backboard, so look out for that, guys. But let's open it up and let's check it out, man. Woo! The materials on this is A1. Oh yeah, that satin is dope on these. I picked these up for retail, which was $160, and glad I was able to scoop these up. This was a woman's release. As soon as I got these in hand, one of my homies hit me up in the DM. He wanted to get these for his girl, so shout out to my homie D Hefenandre. He hit me up in the DM. I've known D for over 10 years, and he copped these for his girl, and he sent the money through, and I was all with it. Ultimately, I just wanted to see this pair get into a woman's possession. I know this is a woman's sneaker, and a lot of men are going for this sneaker because their feet is small, but my feet ain't small. I wear a goddamn 12, so I feel like this is a sneaker that women should have. I know a lot of men can fit this sneaker, but gentlemen, let the ladies have this. Jordan Brand don't give them too much heat. This is Jordan Brand's little way of blessing the females, so let them get theirs in, yo. But you see that satin on the heel as well as on that toe box. You got that leather in the middle, white midsole, you got translucent orange outsole, black laces, black satin tongue, Nike branding on the tongue. You know what a Shattered Backboard look like. These are fire, man. Flame, just a satin version. I struck out on satins for the Royals and the bread, so it was actually nice to get a W on this. Like I said, I copped without a bot manually for the original OG shattered backboards in 2015, and then I did the same thing for these in 2018, 3 years later. So like I said, I'm just glad I was able to cop the dub on this pair. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this shattered backboard, this satin version for the ladies. This is a size 7. These are already accounted for. Shout out to the homie D for sending me that money through PayPal. I shot him the fan price, and these are already out the door. I'll be shipping these out ASAP, but I'm gonna give you guys a comparison with the OG to the satin, and I'm gonna give you guys a detailed review of these as well. Let you guys get a real feel of the materials, and these are dope, man. Like I always say, these are fire though. Glad I was able to scoop these up. Shout out to finishline.com. They came through in the clutch when I thought the L was coming, and I was able to get it in. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video. Click that like button. You can follow me on all my social media, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat. I'll drop link in the description box down below. I thank you guys for taking time out of your day to watch the video, pull up, support me. So much is coming in the future. I'm not gonna even say it. I'm gonna just show you better than I can tell you. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone.
Whose world is this? The world is yours. The world is yours. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this? It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.